And India is the fastest growing economy in the world. Government's reform-oriented measures are cushioning our growth path with extreme strength. And the latest demonetisation decision by Prime Minister Narendra Modi is a jolt to the black money hoarders that means it will destroy the parallel economy to a large extent. On the other side, it will be interesting to know what impact will it have on certain important factors related to the Indian economy. Let's take a look at those details.
One major aspect which has always stood as hindrance to India's economic growth story is the parallel economy or shadow economy, which in simple terms is the black money.
Demonetization समय समय पर पूरे वर्ल्ड में यूज किया गया है ब्लैक मनी, टेररिज्म, करप्शन, उन सब चीज़ों को कंट्रोल करने के लिए। अगर पिछले अनुभव देखें तो उनमें यही था कि वो बड़े करेंसी के नोट्स होते हैं जो उनको सपोर्ट करते हैं ये इस तरह के काम करने के लिए, लेकिन धक्का तब लगता है उनको जब सरकार उन नोट्स को विड्रॉ कर लेती है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced demonetization of high-valued currency notes, which would have its impact on Indian economy and related factors. Let us now see what impact will the demonetization have on certain important aspects of our Indian economy. GDP growth. Analysts almost across the globe has been optimistic about our GDP growth post-demonetization. Many believe that the impact of demonetization will not be that significant and India will continue to be the fastest growing economy in the world. However, economists say that there could be some minor hitches till January-March quarter. Experts also believe the ongoing reforms will prove to be highly beneficial in the coming financial year. Inflation. Sustained high inflation in the country has been one of the biggest factors which has kept the lending rates among the highest in the world. However, demonetization curtails some amount of that discretionary large spend which can have a cooling impact on inflation. Fiscal deficit. Moody's Investor Services say that India can well reach the fiscal deficit target this financial year. Analysts believe that the amount being deposited in the banks under the ambit of demonetization will be enough to take care of fiscal deficit for another 1 year or more, as the RBI's liability amount will be reduced significantly. Interest rates. This is a major factor which everyone is looking forward to. Economists, analysts and also Finance Minister commented about the interest rates post-demonetization move. As the banks are witnessing large deposits post-demonetization, there is every chance of them lowering interest rates. Also, there are chances of inflation getting cooled down, so the possibilities of interest rates going down is gaining strength.
Now, there's too much of fund flowing into the banking system, and the cost of that fund is really minimal. The CASA goes up, the lending, there's a possibility that the lending will ease out, and the interest rate will definitely go down. When the interest rate go down, there's more borrowing and more investment that is actually the country is looking forward to. So in that case also, but all this flows little bit in the long run. So immediately we don't expect anything to coming up in the next maybe 1 or 2 quarters, but yes, down the line, it's gonna impact it.
On the whole, it is clear that the move of demonetizing high-valued currency notes will have a positive impact on the economy and the benefits can be witnessed in the coming quarters. Venkatraman's report, DD News.